This Valentines, we care for you. So we took over the streets. To know you a little better.
Use new fresh underwear every day.
I have a routine that I do to make sure that it's really clean.
He will leave an extra undergarment at my place.
Try to make it clean every day.
How?
By taking a shower.
Maybe like last week, just go around, have some coffee, shop.
By taking care of myself.
By myself, I buy iced coffee.
Do what I love, like playing football, exercising.
Eat well and like work out and care about your appearance. Maybe just a little bit. Try to be my own supporter kind of thing, yeah.
But if you speak about self-care, you speak to us.
Really? Yeah. Wow. Well, that's easy, right? Like you don't have to like go anywhere.
Just by camera or something like that, or
Actually, yeah, like I would actually be interested. It's really important to like just check yourself.
It's like sending a dick pic.
Okay.
That would be pretty convenient. I think the convenience is the thing that holds you back from going.
I think it's good. I mean, we gotta use technology for something good, right?
Yes, maybe.
Try to love yourself, and I don't even care if an actual person rates me. I don't see the point.
Yeah, I mean, I let women rate my penis, so then I can do that as well.
Self-love and self-assurance and fun, I would say.
Self-care is self-love. But with us, self is not singular. Self-love is care and pleasure.
I think about other clothes.
Oh, okay. What
In
is
Japanese, right?
Similar to tanga, like the thing you wear.
Wait, I've seen these ones in the Japanese stores.
Well, it says here it's a vacuum cup.
It kind of look like a sex toy.
A masturbation cup, that's the name of it.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Insert your in here.
No, just a good old hand.
Oh, okay, nice. Like I have used one before.
I have. Not this one though.
I'll probably give it a go. I don't know. Like, if I have one, I'll probably use it and try it.
Make it sloppy, make it as wet as possible.
Try to please your partner as much as possible.
I would say foreplay is like one of the most important things because it gets you in the mood to do the right thing.
The house owner was like asleep, and we had sex beside the house owner. Yeah.
Like my house help walked in on me,
I tried some Taiwanese condoms here and they ripped. Yeah, 6 times.
Oh.
and I was too young. Okay, so I did not know what I was doing, but it felt good, so I was doing it.
Thank you. This is the first roses I ever get in my life.
I haven't received flowers in a long time.
Love yourself.
Love yourself.
Love yourself.
Love yourself.
Love yourself.
Love yourself.